Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer baby potatoes. These butter garlic Parmesan potatoes are quick and easy to make, and they make an excellent side dish for dinner or the holidays. For the ingredients, you'll need baby potatoes, melted butter, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, olive oil, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and pepper. Start by preheating your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 15 minutes. Next, go ahead and cut the baby potatoes in half. To a medium-sized bowl, go ahead and add the melted butter, olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, pepper, salt, and Italian seasoning. Mix until well blended. Next, go ahead and add the baby potatoes to the bowl and stir until well coated. Next, add the baby potatoes to the air fryer and air fry for 15 minutes, and be sure to shake them halfway through. Once the potatoes are done, go ahead and remove them from the air fryer, let them cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.